So, where is it? Part 5. Okay, part 5. So part 5, you end here from, no you don't. Part 4 was drop spin, so after you do that, you go back to the front and you should be set for a right drop spin, but you're not going to do it. What you're going to do is, for the first 2 counts, number 1 is going to be a top corner on the left, number 2, bottom corner on your left, down, and then 3 and 4 is going to go around you, and on 3 and, you're going to re-grab with your other hand, so pass it through, grab, and then come around, and then 5 and 6 is over here, and you're in, I believe, a 4th arch. Yeah, 4th arch. And then you go up 7, 8. That's your first 8 count. So all together it should like this: 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the first part. So you're here for 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is all going to be the same thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down for a right drop spin, but it's the one that you roll over your finger. So it goes from here 7, 8, 9. Oh, hold on. Sorry. Left drop spin. That's what I meant. Okay, so you're here. So you're going to turn that way. What you're going to do is go down. So 9, 10, 11, re-grab 12. You're going to pulsate on, I believe, 11, and then re-grab on 12, and you're in the 4th arch again. So you come from here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So you should be there. So the next part, you're here, and you're going to turn over your left shoulder, go down, let it come all the way around, back up, and then what you're going to do here, that was, what was I doing? I forgot. Okay. Try it again. So you're here for 12. 9, 10, 11, 12 is that. And then what you're going to do is let it fully rotate. And you're going to be here. It looks weird, but you're going to hold here 15 and re-grab 16. So, like that. From the back, it's like this. So that's what you should aim for. So you're here. So 9, 10, 11, 12. That was the full second 8 count. So it should go like this: 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, got 12, 13, 14, 15. You should be here. You should be on the back by 5th and be here, and then re-grab 6th. So kind of let it go a little bit. So the first 16 counts should like this: 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, got 12, 13, 14. It's kind of a speed change when you go from the last 4 counts, because you have to get there on time to have 15 and we got 16. So it's a little speed change, keep that in mind. So the next part, I'll turn to the front for this part. So you're here. What you do next is you're going to go into a rowboat behind your arm on your right side, and then you're gonna tuck the bottom half of the pole under your armpit. So it should be, for the first 2 counts, so it should be 1, 2. So 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and you're in the 4th arch. It's right behind your elbow, and make sure you're still holding it. So touch it under there. The next part, 3, 4, is cross, kind of like you're drawing an X, and then you're gonna undo it on 4. So the first 4 counts on the back is 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 4. That's also a speed change. So the next count, you're here again. You're going to turn over your left. So turn. I'm going to move the flag a little bit. So bring it down and back up. And then what you're going to do next, is you're going to set up for your J-toss. So you grab here, because that was 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're still here, you're going to grab 7, and then grab here 8. The pole is going to be in between your open palm and your thumb and your pointer finger. So you're going to be like here, And that's how you set up for the J-top. So I'm gonna go through the whole thing leading up to that, and then I'll show you the top. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, got 12, 13, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab top here. What's that? Oh my lord. That was a big old bug. Okay, so that was the whole thing. Now you set it once you're here, you set up the J-toss, and it's called a J-toss because when you let go, you pull with your left arm down and you bring it down and then up, and it makes a J, so it goes like. So your release point should be like this. You're gripping, and you only let go until you're here, and it should be bottom of the pole should be right in front of your armpit. Sometimes it's tucked in, but for this it wouldn't be. So what you do after you set up from 7, 8, so you're here, 7, 8, and then you're gonna pull down. Yeah, like that. Don't do what I did. Actually catch it. So you catch it, left side flat, left hand under, right hand over. That's how you catch it. So I'm gonna try it again. Hope I catch it this time. The sun's in my eyes, but I caught it briefly. Okay, so yeah, that's what you do. So that the counts for that is 9, 10, 11, 12. Your release on 10, so 9, 10, 11, 12. You catch on 12. Next 4 counts, which is the last 4 counts of the right side, is you're going to turn. So 4-step turn, not a chaîné. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all you do, take a couple steps, step to the left. For the most part, you're always turning over your left shoulder on the right side, so keep that in mind. And it's the opposite for the other. So right now, you're set up for the second half. I'm going to do the entire first half. Hopefully, I don't drop the flag this time. Okay. 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that's 12, 13, 14, 15, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's the whole right side. Now you're set up for the left. The left is roughly the same up until the toss. So it's like this. 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that's 12, 13, 14, 15, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the only difference from the first one. Instead of setting up for a J-toss, you're setting up for a, I think it's called swing or something. I don't know the name of it, but you're setting up for a different toss. So you're here, I believe. Yeah, you're here. So when you're setting up, you're gonna re-grab here with your right arm at top teeter, and then you're gonna re-grab with your left hand on the bottom one. So you set it like this. So for this one, your release point with your left hand is kind of gonna be here. So pull with your left to get more spin, and then the rest of the motion comes from your right wrist. So it should be like something like that. So all together, this is 9, 10, 11, 12. So you release on 10 again. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So this time you catch right flat. So right hand is under, left hand is open. Okay? So try to toss again. So 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I hit the ground. Let's try it again. 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then the last 4 counts is the same as the other one, but you're going to turn over your right shoulder. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it for that side. So I'm going to show you the entire left side, and then I'm going to show both of them together. Okay? So 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that's 12, 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is the whole left side. So you do those all together. You don't stop because you're setting up for the left on the right. So after you finish your J toss, you should be here. You just spin and you set up for the left. And then after you finish your cross hand toss, whatever, you should be set up technically for that side, but you're setting up for pull hits. So pull hits, probably the easiest one. I thought part 5 was the easiest. It's not. So easiest part, pull hits. So you set up for part 6. Part 6 pull hits, and you start out with an 8 count and every other count. Huh?
Part 6 is curry.
Oh, I said pull hits. It's cars. Thank you. Okay, cars. I'm slow. Ignore what I say. Pull hits is the last section. All right. So first 8 count. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Y'all should know how to do some of these. We've already practiced this before. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next 8 count is going to be every count is a hit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All together, it should be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to do that again for another 8 count, but this time you're going to be turning. So you're going to step into a back tendu with your right foot. So back tendu, that's 1. And on 2, opening your second, and you should be facing the right corner of your little box, imaginary box. And you should do, and you hold it for 4 counts. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All together, it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just you do it again. It's gonna be facing your back corner. So back tendu, turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 5, 6 is the back tendu, but you're also gonna be keeping the motion flat. So back tendu, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, you're gonna push it up here and go down. Turn all the way to your right side. Both of your hands should be on it. You're gonna let go with your left. Reach up and re-grab here, and then turn back to the front. I'll show you in the front, so I'll be like this way. So you're here, you go down that way. 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. You don't have to do that big of a turn, but I was just showing you so that you can see it. So turn should be right here. Turn on 1 foot. That's it. All you have to do is shuffle and you're done. So that is the entire right side. The left side is the same thing, just the opposite. So you're set up for the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna do a back tendu on your left foot now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're gonna do the same thing, but on the opposite side. So go down, 2, 4, 9, 10, over, 11, 12, push to the other side. Let go with your right hand and pull it up. 3rd, 4th, you're gonna turn to the front, 5th, 6th. That is the whole thing. I would do it together on both sides. So 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. That is it. You put both parts, so 5 and 6 together, because you're setting up for the next one every time. So that is it.